Tiny, oh no, my crystal's fake, right? The colour's rubbed off all over me. Okay, Tiny, let me put on a glove. Let's have a look at your purpurite. Wow, actually oxidation on the surface causes that to rub off, and over time, if you don't handle it with great care, it can fade away. If you were wondering, don't worry, it's not toxic. I just realized I know nothing about the crystals I buy. Can you tell me more? Of course. Purpurite is a stunning semi-precious gem that can be found in Australia, France, Portugal, even the United States. In terms of hardness, it's as soft as fluorite and apatite, ranking just 4 to 5 on the Mohs hardness scale, and that's why you shouldn't store it with other crystals. What about its healing properties? We'll cover that in the next video. Make sure to give us a follow.